Okay, here's a video of Victoria's kids. They're just all kind of mellow. Time of day. Except that one.
She's the rowdy one.
She's a rowdy girl. Kind of their nap time in the afternoon. What? She hopping around like a little rabbit. You guys being rabbits? To being little rabbits.
Still couch potatoes.
Couch potatoes. Couch potatoes. What? I know the camera's scary. Except for you. You're not scared of much, are
They're
you?
all doing good. They've been on solid kibble for a week and a half now.
Yeah, they're doing good. They're the little boy. Hi, little
They
boy.
got their 7-week shot yesterday.
Yeah.
They're all pooping good.
Yay.
Doing good.
Look at how pretty the brindle's coming out in her coat. Pretty brindle.
Hey. Hi. Surprised that they all have their ears up.
Mm-hmm.
I've had them up for a while. That's usually there's one or two that has a floppy ear till they're about 8 weeks old.
Mm-hmm.
The two brindle ones are so serious.
Yeah. That's not going to last long.
No. You're fat. She's got a fat butt. This one here.
Fat butt.
Boy or girl?
That's a girl.
You'll keep her way on pretty good.
Oh, they love that cat ball. Makes good noises. Yes, it does. It makes good noises.
Did you love her? Huh? You the little lover? Are you? Yeah. You. I think you're going to be the troublemaker of the bunch. You're into everything. You got to know everything. This one here's kind of middle of the road.
Yeah, she's middle of the
between this
road.
one and the other two.
Yeah.
The other two says, I'm a Frenchie.
Yeah.
They don't do much. Yeah.
I love their fat little piggy butts.
Oh, she's chunky.
Yeah. Look like a cross between a rabbit and a pig. Yes, you do. Do.
Rub your forehead. You like that? Are you bored?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you bored? Is that what you are? Oh, yeah. I see you. I see you. Oh, here we go. Now this is bound up. Okay.
Yeah, they're waking up.
No bite in the ear. There's okay. You're so serious. You are. Oh, they just destroyed my hair.
Yeah, I was going to say, what are they doing back
It
there?
ain't hurting yet. God, I don't know how long I'm going to last down here. Yeah, you two heathens on me. I can hear you. Do you hear this thing snorting?
Uh-huh, snorting and smacking.
It's trying to get me. I think it's air biting. You're air biting. Cover my ear. What do you think of that? Huh? That's not fair, huh? Are you going to make me sit up? Huh? You got a big old belly on you. Yes, you got a big old belly.
You watching my feet? You watching Mama's feet? Yeah? Pretty babies.
I got to sit up.
Pretty babies. Pretty babies. There we go. Gonna get on Daddy's lap? Oh my goodness. Well, that is just too wonderful to resist.
You're just beautiful. Little spot on her head. I think
Yep.
that's going to stay too.
You think it's gonna stay? The little tiny black spot? Oh, see, it says pet me, Daddy. Oh, jeez.
Where were you going?
She don't know. She don't know what. What? Oh, are you talking? Are you talking to my feet? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Oh, I see you, baby.
Hey, that's my finger, you know.
Pretty babies. Pretty babies.
Look how wrinkly this one's forehead is.
Uh-huh.
It's got more wrinkles than this
Lots
Brindle
of
one.
wrinkles.
You know that?
Yeah? They got some differences because of the difference between girls and boys. Be careful. You're going to wipe out. She's a little maniac.
Here we go. You want to play with the pinky? Uh-huh.
Where are you going, Missy?
The other one's challenging.
Doing a drive-by. Chase me, chase me. What are they doing, brother? Are they being silly? Oh, here she comes. Zoom.
Hey. Now the white collar's starting to get into it. That's a drive-by.
Yeah. Zoom. They're so uncoordinated. They're going to really be getting around here in about 2 weeks. They do have strong jaws already. And sharp, sharp teeth.
They chomp down on you, know it.
Oh my goodness. Everybody waking up now, huh? Everybody waking up now, huh?
Come here. Then she pins her ears back.
Yeah.
Put that down.
Uh-oh. We're going to get a poo-poo?
Paper towel.
Oh my goodness. That's a good poo-poo.
Don't step in it.
Yeah. Just don't step back.
You're done. No. Yeah, I get to flush it.
Yay, flush the poo-poo. What's that? What's that? Oh, Daddy flushing poo-poo. What's that? What's he doing in there? Hmm? What's Daddy doing in there? Oh my goodness. Oh, don't chew on the fridge. I know, that's a fun place. You smell out of food? Oh, what? Are you going to talk? Are you going to talk? Huh? Oh, hello. Do. Oh, what? Look how pretty you are. Well, look. Look. Show Mama how pretty you are. Say, I am so gorgeous, Mama. I am. Oh.
And uncoordinated.
And uncoordinated.
I can't hardly run. I just trip over my big feet. Yeah.
Infatuated with
Come
my
here.
shoes.
Hey. Come here. Are you the sensitive one?
Yeah. I think he's going to be a lover boy.
Who's going to be the lover boy? The big old belly?
Shine some light on your investment future. Fall McCartney must have seen that song. You can believe ESPN thought this commercial referencing birthday prices to attention for their hair.
Each Christmas, thousands in our community send messages of hope to sick and injured children. We celebrate the birth.
Interest you in a toy?
To the many children, parents, and families that we serve help us reveal
But that.
God's healing presence this Christmas. Send your message of hope at Glenn
What's in that thing, huh? What is it? Well, what is it? You better chew on my thumb?
Yeah. Your thumb's better.
Best toy in the whole world.
Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop like little bunny rabbits. Oh. Oh, you getting crazy now? You getting playful now? Oh, gonna give us a pee-pee. Pee-pee's okay. We'll wash the blanket. Oh, get sister. Was she giving you the evil eye?
You're going crazy. You're just going crazy.
Oh. What you got? Got the ice cream cone? That's another one they all really like because it's light and it's really soft in their mouth. Oh, she's killing it. She's killing it. What's sister got? Oh no.
He's got a big old head on him, doesn't he?
Yep, he's gonna be gorgeous. So many things to investigate. Which one do I want to play with? Uh-huh. Now they're wound up. See, it just took us a few minutes to wake up. This is super fun. This is super fun. Super fun time. Come on, girly girl. Oh, hello. Yo, hello. Oh, brother gonna get goofy now? You gonna play, brother? Oh. What you doing over there?
You're into everything.
Jeez. What?
No, she's bored.
You bored? I know. Oh, well, I'm sorry.
Come over here and play with me. Come play with me. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
through the entire procedure, including costs.
What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? You gonna size that belly.
Oh, what? What you talking about?
Hey, mister. Hey, little mister.
Get the chicken. Get the chicken.
Alright. Little Pac-Man dolls want to bite you.
Yeah.
Their mouth and just start biting. Yum, 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 yum.
So here you go. All these puppies have moms and dads, and hopefully they'll watch this video.
Save it.
Yeah. See how crazy their babies are. They are doing so
You
good.
have 1 week to get ready for your little
Yeah,
monsters.
pretty soon. Everybody better get ready. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Make sure everything's ready before you bring baby home.
Do all your reading about vaccinations and all that.
Yeah.
Trying to bite that rubber seal.
Don't
Feel-
eat the
Feel
refrigerator.
it with his
No, don't eat the refrigerator.
anything. I'll eat anything. Okay, say goodbye.
Say goodbye. Say see you soon, moms and dads. See you real soon. Oh yeah. There they are.